Hey everybody, have you ever wondered what comes inside a HelloFresh box? Well, today is the day because we are going to be unboxing this one to show you what the contents are inside. And let me tell you, these meals are going to knock your socks off. I mean, we're all pretty busy, right? We have schedules to keep, we have deadlines to meet, and some of us have families, but we're also trying to keep up with friends. It's a lot going on. And for me, I started using HelloFresh because I was working a busy production schedule and trying to eat healthy at the same time, and trying to come up with meals and ingredients and go to the grocery store and shop for those things was kind of hard to balance amidst a busy work schedule. And so that's when I started using HelloFresh. And it's been even better during this quarantine because it's kept me out of the grocery stores. So let's see what's inside this box. Every week I get to choose between 15 to 20 meals from HelloFresh, and then they send me each meal in this handy dandy box. So when you first open it up, you're gonna have your meal recipe. It's gonna show you how to make all 3 meals that it sent you this week. And then on the back is where you have the step-by-step instructions to make it where each meal is super easy to put together. And then they put it in this little seal to make sure everything stays cold if they're dropping it off at your front door. So this is the tilapia for this meal, and then I got ground pork, and then I got my mushroom and pork burger. So the cool part about this is every meal is in its own bag, except the meat. But all the other ingredients are in their own bags, so it keeps it organized. So all I have to do is just throw these into my fridge, and then voila, it's done. And so then, here's the other meat. So, now that we got that open, throw that to the side. So now I have 3 meals, which is what I get every week. So I can get a minimum of 3 meals, but they can also send me more for an additional fee. So I can order as many meals from that 15 to 20 that I want that they give me each week. But the minimum I get is 3. Meal is enough for 2 people, which means I get 6 meals out of these 3 packages. So it's perfect. So what I have here is I have Mexican chicken bowl, and then I have tilapia with scallions, and then I have pork burgers with mushrooms. Now, so since I'm on a carbless diet, I pretty much improvise some things. So for me, what I will do is I will do a bunless burger instead of having the bread on it. When you open it up, you can pour all the ingredients out. And then I have everything right here, ready to rock, ready to cook. All I have to do is start cooking. So you got my potatoes and mushrooms, and then they include potato buns, which I will not eat because of my carb diet. But look how cute these potatoes are. I've always wanted to juggle with 3, but I can never juggle with 3. I can only juggle with 2. I'm not that coordinated is the issue. Ta-da! So then this meal that we just opened up is for the mushroom burger. But I hope that answered your questions about HelloFresh. Sometimes you don't know about something until you see it unboxed for yourself, and then maybe it inspired you to start using HelloFresh too. So if you want to watch more videos about healthy eating, balancing work and life in a busy schedule, because I have a busy production schedule and I know you guys have a busy schedule as well, so we can always help each other out with giving tips and tricks to how to balance everything. So if you want to watch more videos like this, just press subscribe right here, or is it over here? It's one of these sides. Subscribe, and so you can get notified when there's more videos on my channel that are going to help you live a healthy, balanced life, because I'm just a Southern girl balancing her urban life. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.